Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is Roshan Yadav and you're watching Learn English with Roshan Yadav. I welcome you to in this new learning video of English. So today's topic is preposition in English grammar. English grammar, it is very important preposition we need to learn, and preposition is an essential part of English grammar you should know, and preposition are very useful for future and for our command on English language. So let's see preposition in English grammar. I will explain you these things, meaning in Hindi, uses with example, animation and photos to understand better uses of prepositions. Today's topic will be divided in series of video. From today to 3rd March to 7 March, we will have short videos which will introduce you all the prepositions, because preposition topic is long and we need to have deep knowledge. Share and help your friends also who can learn prepositions through this video. Subscribe this channel, I get motivation so much. So please subscribe this channel and I will make more videos. Daily 4, we will do daily 4 vocabularies or the prepositions. So I do vocabulary as well. Today we will see prepositions as well. So on, over, in and at. So how the today's animation and video will be like this. So with these help of things we can learn preposition. Let's get what is preposition और preposition है क्या, preposition के बारे में सब चीज. Let's see preposition जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है क्या, what is preposition. So let's learn what is preposition. Preposition के नाम से क्लियर हो जाता है preposition पूर्व सर्ग हिंदी में कहते हैं. It is a word placed before noun or pronoun to show the relation to some other word in the sentence. Like pre means before, position means placement. It is the placement before a thing to show its relation. Like at, in, on and over, above, to, above, beside, behind. ये words होते हैं preposition के जो लग के उनके relation में दो वस्तुओं के बीच में, दो लोगों के बीच में उनके संबंध को बता देता है, वो preposition या पूर्व सर्ग कहलाता है. So yes, a preposition is an important part of the English language. It is used to show a relationship between a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Noun और pronoun के बीच में relationship बताने के लिए वाक्य में ये use होता है, और another word in the sentence, और किसी और word के आएंगे. A preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun in a sentence. नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बाद लगता है ये. It can never be followed by a verb. verb के बाद नहीं लग सकता ये preposition कभी भी. A preposition is a word which shows relationship among other words in a sentence. कोई और among जो जो शब्द है, जो जो वाक्य आ रहे हैं उनके बीच में दो वस्तुओं के मध्य संबंध बताने वाले शब्दों को क्या कहते हैं, preposition, संबंध कारक. So this is the preposition thing you should know. Preposition means placement before telling relationship. So it tells relationship, or before the verb it comes and it tells the relationship of the things. So means what is the sambandh. Let's see. There are thousands of preposition word, but we will see important preposition because these are the words and we use it as a help and as a to show relationship. So these prepositions will help us to make sentences very useful or real. So there are thousand, but what we need to do, we have to learn less. So these are the important one: of, with, at, from, into, during, including, until, against, among, throughout, despite, towards, upon, in, to, for, on, by, about, like, through, over, before, between, after, since, without, under, within, along. So these prepositions we will mainly do, and prepositions are like above, across, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind. These words are prepositions. There are many, but we will do these because these are important and it's written their frequency and type. Like it is preposition, adverb also by. Like there is to. To is adverb as well, preposition as well. So type and its frequency is written in prepositions, which we will do above, across, against, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, from, in, into, near. These are the prepositions we need to learn in English grammar. So let's see why we should learning preposition, use of preposition and its type. What is the use, we can use and where we can use the prepositions and its importance and how we should learn it. It is the part of speech on sixth number in parts of speech, as parts of speech are very important to learn English grammar. So you need to know that preposition is also part of speech. In sixth number it comes, and it is very important to have basic knowledge or basic thing about English grammar. If you speak English, so make don't we don't make that much mistakes, because if we know the basic things. So these words describe place. व्हाट इज द वर्क, ये करते क्या है, ये जगह को, टाइम को, मैनर और मेथड को, रीजन किसी के कारण को, पर्पस को, पोजीशन को और डायरेक्शन को बताते हैं ये शब्द। डायरेक्शन किस दिशा की ओर, किसी पर्पस को, किसी पोजीशन को, किसी मेथड को, किसी टाइम प्लेस को बताने का काम प्रीपोजिशन का होता है। तो ये इस चीज़ों का रिलेशन बताने के लिए हमें प्रीपोजिशन आना चाहिए। So we should learn preposition. So are you confused where we can use preposition, or if you want to know why we should learn, so see this video. So types of preposition, there are many prepositions, so it is classified in 5 types. So first is simple preposition, common preposition, which is one word like on, in, at, it is the common preposition. What is double preposition? So contain two words instead of, that is of two words, and it is double preposition. Near to, it is double word and it is double preposition. Compound preposition formed by prefixing. prefixing कर देते हैं, b को जोड़ दिया sides में, b plus sides is equal to besides, so it is compound preposition. inside में in plus side, so prefix लगा करके उसको जब preposition बना देते हैं तो वो compound preposition कहलाता है. participle preposition with ing, like if there is word we place ing, then it becomes participle preposition. Phrase preposition, group of words which are used as preposition. Example, along with, it is a phrase, so it is called phrase preposition. Away from, in front of, that are the phrase preposition. Let's see first our first preposition, on, per. So on is used for indicate position touching surface. कोई चीज सरफेस सतह से टच हो रही होगी उसके लिए हम ऑन प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करेंगे, जो यूजुअली इंडिकेट करता है किसी चीज के कुछ ऊपर रखा है, किसी चीज पर रखा है, किसी चीज के ऊपर या नीचे हो सकता है, पर रखा होता है. बट ऑन इज यूज टू इंडिकेट अ पोजिशन अ टॉप ऑफ सरफेस. किसी सतह के ऊपर या सतह पर रखा होता है तो वो किसी टॉप पर रखा रहता है तो वो ऑन होता है. फॉर टाइम, टाइम्स के लिए भी हम ऑन का यूज करते हैं. ऑन देयर इज टाइम लाइक ऑन मंडे, ऑन संडे. डेट्स के लिए ऑन 15th August, these are the dates, so we use on before it to describe the relationship, or we use this preposition to indicate date, days of week, days of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, on Sunday, on Wednesday, it is the days of week, so we use on preposition here. on is used to indicate more specific days और dates को बताता है, दिन को और तारीखों को बताता है on. फेस्टिवल्स पे, ओकेजन्स पे हम ऑन का यूज करते हैं, लाइक ऑन होली, ऑन दिवाली, ऑन क्रिसमस. सो दीज आर द फेस्टिवल्स और ओकेजन्स, ऑन बर्थडे. सो दीज आर द ओकेजन्स एंड वी यूज ऑन बिफोर इट, सो इट इज द यूज ऑफ ऑन. पर एग्जाम्पल्स देखेंगे, जैसे यहाँ पर आप देखने सकते हैं कि सेब जो है वो किताब पर रखा है, किसी सरफेस पे रखा है. एप्पल इज ऑन बुक. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स यू शुड cover with use of on. So book is on table, so on table, so it is on the surface, so we use on here. The photos hangs on the wall, so this is important animated photo, like the cat is on box, the cat is on sitting on the box, sitting on the box. So this is the on use, it is on surface. So like how we will use for day, she will come on Sunday. He lives on a farm, किसी जगह के लिए हमने भी यूज कर लिया. Apple is on the book. Yogesh birthday comes on Christmas, so for occasion we use this on. So these are the uses of on. Like किसी चीज के कुछ ऊपर होगा, किसी सरफेस से टच करते हुए तो भी on यूज करेंगे. The book is on the table, anything. So the cat is sitting on the box. So these are the uses of on. Let's see next preposition which is in. में यूज देखेंगे in का. यूज फॉर समथिंग इन रेस्ट पोजीशन, थिंग और पर्सन. कोई किसी चीज रेस्ट में है, किसी चीज के अंदर है, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? इन प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करते हैं. टाइम नॉट स्पेसिफिक टाइम्स, लाइक मंथ्स ईयर्स होंगे, कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम नहीं होगा, बस मंथ में कर लेंगे, ईयर्स में कर लेंगे. सो सीजन्स हो सकते हैं, इन समर, इन विंटर, इन जो सीजन्स है, तो उन सब पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए इन प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करेंगे. फॉर प्लेस, प्लेस किसी जगह के लिए, बड़ी जगह के लिए. लार्ज प्लेसेस लाइक कंट्री, टाउन, सिटी के लिए भी. टू इंडिकेट अ लोकेशन, किसी लोकेशन को बताने के लिए भी इन का यूज करते हैं. In is also a very important preposition you need to learn. Like here in the photo you can see the boy is in the box. So he is in the rest position of box. So it is the use of in. Let's see examples for using in. The boy is in the box. He sits in the corner of the room. इस कॉर्नर के रूम के कॉर्नर में बैठते हैं तो इन का यूज. देयर इज अ बिग ट्री इन द मिडल ऑफ द गार्डन. गार्डन के बीचों बीच एक बड़ा पेड़ है, तो ये क्या है? इनका यूज. आई लिव इन इंडिया, किसी लोकेशन में इंडिया में रहता हूँ तो आई लिव इन. इन इट इज द प्रीपोजिशन विच टेल्स रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इंडिया एंड मी, सो इट इज यूज ऑफ इन प्रीपोजिशन. Madhvi was in the room. We sit in the room. I see a house in the picture. So here is example. He lives in Paris. It is also for place. The first modern Olympics were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. For years, for the happenings we used in preposition. Let's get to next preposition which is at, per. At is also important and very useful concept to understand in English grammar preposition. So if you use at, we use most of the time at, so you need to know the uses or its importance. The preposition at is used when referring to buildings, locations in a city. This can be confused with the preposition in generally. In is used with buildings to mean that something occurs inside the building. At, on the other hand, it is the used to express that something happens at the location. किसी लोकेशन पे कुछ होता है, जैसे at wedding hall. तो किसी लोकेशन पे कुछ काम हो रहा है, किसी जगह के लिए, हम छोटी जगहों के लिए, स्मॉल प्लेसेस के लिए. कीप इन माइंड, रिमेंबर दिस, इट इज यूज फॉर स्मॉल प्लेसेस बिकॉज वी ऑफन कंफ्यूज विथ इन. सो इट इज द important and you need to know it is used for small locations to express something happens at the location. For small places like villages, towns, place, for positions we use at. So at use like at 734 State Street, at the corner, at the bus stop, at the top of page. So it is the use of at. At 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, it is the telling the time as well, because for time it is very necessary. You need to know that is used with time as well. Let's see example. So I sat at my table, cried. कहाँ बैठा? टेबल पर बैठा, छोटी जगह हमने बता दी. Let's meet at 11:45. टाइम के लिए, करेक्ट टाइम के लिए भी यूज होता है जनरली, एंड इट इज यूज फॉर टाइम, पोजीशन एंड प्लेस फॉर स्मॉल प्लेसेस टू शो लोकेशंस. सो इट इज द यूज ऑफ एट. देयर वर टेंस of thousands of people, yellow. See, you need to wait for last till last, because if you are learning it, I hope you are learning something from this video. So you need to do a task and it is in the last of video, as thumbnail describe. There is a task. If you get understand these concepts, the whole concepts and easily understandable, and it is very important to know that you got understand from this video and you gain some knowledge. It is for knowledge, for improving English, for learning basic grammar English, and at use I hope you cleared. It is for villages, small places. From examples you can say the tiger launched at the money, laughed at the money, किसी position पर. There were tens of people, कहाँ पर location बताने, JLO's latest concert. So these are the examples use of it. Let's come to next preposition which is over, ऊपर. Over, it is also useful, important. and a conceptual preposition. So easy one, it is very easy. If something is in the air which is not on surface, it is used for which is in the air, not on the surface. It is not touchable, it is in the air only. ये हवा में रहता है, किसी चीज के ऊपर की जब हम बात करते हैं तो over का यूज करते हैं. Over for movement and position, position और movement के लिए यूज करेंगे. We use over to talk about movement or position at higher level than something else at exactly higher level. Higher level पे जब कुछ चीज होती है किसी चीज के ऊपर हवा में होती है और थोड़े ऊंचे स्तर पर होती है तो उसके लिए भी over का यूज करते हैं. Over and all over, we can use over and stronger form of all over. So when something is covering something, किसी चीज को cover कर रहा है, over हो रहा है, so that is also use of over. Over for period of time, like I have given work, it has been over limit or over 5 years. So this is that is also used for periods of time. Over with numbers, numbers के साथ भी over हो जाता है. So this is the example, like with the image you can understand. The fan is over us. The bridge is over river. They held a large umbrella over her. उसके ऊपर एक बड़ी umbrella थी, छत्ता था. The balcony just out over the street. There was a lamp hanging over the table. वहाँ पे एक लैम्प लटक रहा था टेबल के ऊपर. तो किसी चीज को ऊपर ओवर के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? जब किसी पोजीशन किसी जो एयर में होगा, सरफेस टच नहीं कर रहा होगा, तो ओवर की पोजीशन का यूज होता है. She put a blanket over the sleeping child. उसके ऊपर उन्होंने ब्लैंकेट दिया. These were the uses of over. Let's get to confusing prepositions in and at. We often confuse with in and at. Let's see in versus at and on versus over. So are you confused with like where in places we use in also, at also? So where to use in and at? We often confuse with like we use at India, at Delhi. So this is wrong. We use in a wrong position. So this is the confusing preposition. Let's see what is the basic differences. If you are confused like where to use at, where to use in, this is the same. So let's see. At is used for small places, like at is used when you are at the top of or bottom or end. So then we use at. Specific address के लिए at का use करते हैं, at in a general location. But जब in का use करते हैं तो वो large places और mistakes हो जाती है. जैसे I live at Delhi, तो ये कोई छोटी प्लेस नहीं है, तो उसके लिए आप एट का यूज नहीं करेंगे. और यू नीड टू यूज इन फॉर दैट. इन इज यूज्ड इन अ स्पेस और स्मॉल व्हीकल और वाटर और नेबरहुड सिटी और कंट्री के लिए यूज क्या करते हैं, कंट्री वगैरह के लिए इन का, और एट का छोटे लोकेशन के लिए, जनरल लोकेशन के लिए. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. ही वाज बोर्न एट अराकू इन विशाखापट्टनम. Like I lived in India. So these sentences verses also tells us where to use at, where to use in. Let's see on and over confusion. On is used for touched surface or with two things, like which is touching the surface, it is used for that only. But over is used which does not touch surface, it is in the air. So over and on difference is that which touch surface it is used for on, and which does not touch surface it is over. So example in the next slide with task. Don't forget to do this, it will be useful and practicable. So examples, comment answers and practice fill in the blanks which is in next video after example. Thank you so much. Let's see example and task in next slides. Examples of confusing preposition as at and in versus देखेंगे examples के साथ, sentences के साथ. सो स्पेसिफिक एड्रेस के लिए आप देख रहे हैं एट का यूज हो रहा है. यू कैन विजिट अस एट 123 विल्सन ड्राइव. जनरल लोकेशन के लिए आई विल मीट यू एट स्कूल. स्कूल जनरल लोकेशन है, उसके लिए एट लग गया. बट इन देखेंगे स्पेस के लिए, जैसे द कीज आर इन माई बैग, स्मॉल व्हीकल के लिए गो गेट इन द कार, वाटर के लिए, नेबरहुड सिटी, कंट्री के लिए वी लिव इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. लाइक कंट्री के लिए हमने इनका यूज किया, बट स्मॉल प्लेसेस के लिए एट का. दिस वर द बेसिक डिफरेंस विथ एग्जाम्पल. राइट इट डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. ऑन देखो किसी पीस ऑफ पेपर पे लिखेगा, बट द प्लेन फ्लाइज ओवर द सी. वो समुद्र के ऊपर उड़ता है और वो पेपर पर लिखता है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑन एंड बिटवीन ओवर. So let's see task to do, or which is very important in this video, and you have to fill in the blanks. Do fill in the blanks, write your answers in comment box if you learn at, on, in and over uses. So you need to fill in the blanks. It is easy and it will be useful if you learn the uses of at, in, on and over. Everybody, every day Sakura goes to the market dash 7 p.m. You know there is a time, so you will use which preposition. It is easy. Comment your answers. The fan is dash us. You know the answer. Comment in the chat box. They held a large umbrella dash. You know the answer. So these are the tasks, or these are the fill in the blanks you need to do and write in the comment box. Thank you so much. So comment fast. It is the task. Write your answers of this question. It's really easy and learn something. I hope you will learn, and this is the task. You need to go and comment the answers of this fill in the blanks, so I will be understandable, or I will understand that you have understood the concept of preposition at, on, in, and you will be easily covered, and hope you understand this. Meet you in next video with full energy, and we will cover the all the aspects, concept and use of preposition. So thank you so much for watching this video.